Hello and welcome to Mountain Patriot Homestead. Today we're in the kitchen working on a project that will be a 6-month project. Can you guess what it is? Yes, we are going to be making some homemade vanilla extract, and I am just opening up these fresh vanilla beans, and I wish you could smell this because it smells so divine. These beans are pliable and moist, so good. And this is a simple project. It is a long-term project, but it just starts out just slicing open these beans and just look inside. See all of those little seeds? That is just flavor, just pure vanilla flavor. Because of the size of my jars, I am cutting these into thirds. If you had taller jars, you could use these whole. Now for my alcohol base, I am just using my same 100 proof vodka that I use for tinctures. I know there is a way to make non-alcoholic versions, but I have never used that, so I am just using my 100 proof tincture vodka to make my extracts. By the way, I did have almost half of the bag of vanilla beans left, and I just vacuum packed those back up. They can be left at room temperature, and when I get ready to use them for any other project, they will be just as fresh and just as good next time. And for the next 6 months, once these are sealed, I will give them a little shake every few days just to make sure that that flavor is getting mixed up and will turn into the most wonderful fresh tasting extract. Now for my very last bottle, I didn't quite have enough vodka, so I'm going to use bourbon. You can use bourbon to make extract. It will make it a little more stout. It'll have more of that bourbon flavor, but I didn't have quite enough bourbon because I use this bourbon to make bourbon chicken, so I didn't have quite enough for a full bottle of it. So I topped it off with just the little bit of vodka I had remaining. It will be fine. The flavor will just be a little bit more robust, but it will still be true vanilla extract. And there you go. I have it labeled and dated so I'll know exactly when my time should be up and it should be ready. And that's just how easy it is to make your own wonderful vanilla extract. I'm glad you come by, and I hope you come by again and see us real soon. We love y'all. Mountain Patriot Homestead, signing out.